set.
Fall back! We're cut off!
Belay that order. Stand your ground.
Heard you boys needed some help. We came as fast as we could.
Ain't no time to be lying down on the job.
You magnificent son of a bitch. You're the last man I expected to see.
Boys, I hate to interrupt, but the natives are getting restless.
Thanks for the rescue, but I hope it ain't just the two of you.
General, you know I've always got a card to play.
You might be a damn pirate, Raynor, but whatever happens, you saved my boys today. And I won't forget that.
All in a day's work, General.
Lock and load, Jimmy boy. These plastic critters just keep coming. What we got here's the biggest turkey shoot in the galaxy.
Hate to spoil all your fun, Tychus, but we gotta start pushing toward the primary hive cluster pronto.
That's a tall order, old buddy. Between them nidus worms on the ground and that swarm of flies overhead, we ain't in no position to push against anything.
You're always an inspiration, Tychus. How you holding up, General?
Damn poison. I told those pansy-ass medics to lop off my arm so I could get back to the front. Even so, I'm in pretty bad shape. I've decided to hand over all command to you.
I understand. I know that ain't easy for you.
Easy? Son, I'm getting off easy compared to what you got ahead of you. To reach the main hive, you'll have to choose between taking out their ground reinforcements or their air support. There ain't time for both.
Don't worry, General. I'll deal with the Zerg. First chance you get, head back to the ship and get patched up. That's an order.
Reporting live for UNN. Stunning news tonight as massive numbers of Zergs began pulling back to their main hive on the planet Char. While they aren't giving up the worlds they've conquered, most of the aliens appear to be massing near the fiery planet.
What can it mean, Kate?
We really don't know, Donnie. We'll keep you posted with any further developments.
I know what it means, and it ain't good.
We've secured our landing zone thanks to you, Commander. General Warfield believes an attack on the primary hive is suicide under current conditions. A diversionary attack to cripple part of the Zerg defenses will give us the opportunity we need.
You know, I've been thinking,
Scares me more than the Zerg.
we're gonna have to take out those Nidus worms before we can make a move on the main hive. Them Zerg bursting up under us wherever they please ain't exactly conducive to our health and well-being.
Well, placing charges at the right spots in their Nidus network could flood the whole system with lava. What's your take, General?
Well, it's dangerous, but it could work. Bigger problem still their flyers. Even if we could move our units forward, we can't provide adequate air cover while the skies are contested.
Any suggestions?
Intel shows 80% of the Zerg flyers nest on an infested platform hanging in low orbit. We take that down, we'll own the air.
Hell, if this platform's so important, why not just nuke it?
The nests are burrowed deep into the superstructure. Surface detonations won't do it. We'd need to land a strike force on the platform and take it apart piece by piece. It's your call, Reyna.
Long as the Zerg can use the Nidus network, our whole force is under threat. I feel for our flyboys, but shutting down those tunnels has to be our top priority.
That's not my assessment, but I will defer. You're the expert here. Good hunting, Commander.
Good call, Jimmy. Let's give the Zerg a lesson in how we do things Heaven's Devil style.
Deep scan analysis has detected 3 fault lines converging beneath this area. Detonation of seismic charges in all 3 locations will redirect lava into the adjacent platforms.
Any intel on what we'll be facing down there?
Negative, Commander. The intervening roadway was prevent accurate detection of Zerg ion signatures. Charges advised.
We're gonna need some more boys to carry the charges, if nothing else.
I've been in these tunnels before. The more guys we take, the riskier it gets. I'd rather bring a smaller, more experienced crew down there than a whole regiment.
I might have just the men for you. Some of my best. All decorated combat veterans with lousy discipline records. You'll love them.
Sounds good, General, but I got my own crew for this. Besides, does them good to get outside once in a while.
Some squads took cover in the tunnels during the landing, so you might be able to find some reinforcements down there. I'll contact you if I detect their transponders.
All right. You do that. But I can't guarantee anything. This ain't no rescue mission.
Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Let's introduce these boys to a little Terran ingenuity. The Mark 12 penetrator round. Time to man up. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Sell me. Raiders roll. What's the plan? Break it down. You can count on me. Talk to me. Break it down.
Just fascinating.
Sell me.
Quit hogging all the fun, Jimmy. Let me try out these shredder grenades. Fire in your hole.
Talk to me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.
Let's show them what we got.
Sell me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Take it. What's the plan?
What's in it for me?
Talk to me. Raiders roll. Give them some pepper. Time to man up. Count on me. Sounds like a plan. The motion detector's off the scale. Swan, what say you get that turret of yours set up before we advance?
No sooner said than done, cowboy. Just stay behind old Flaming Betty here and let her take the heat.
Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Time to man up. What's up? You can count on me. You want to do a thing.
Don't provoke me.
Break it down. Sounds like a plan.
Incoming transmission.
Time to man.
Rainer, can you hear me?
I read you, General. Go ahead.
All of my men are nearby. They're pinned down. Help them out, and they'll join you.
You can count on me.
You gonna bark all day? Okay, armchair general.
Sell me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Talk to me. Kick ass. Count on me. Time to man up.
Rainer? Hot damn, they sent the big guns for us.
Yes. Well, what can I say?
Jimmy, you need stuff fixed, I'm your guy. This crawling around in caves, that guy I ain't.
Swan, if I didn't know better, I'd say you're scared.
Yella. That do it.
It ain't that. Just weapons, tools.
What's the plan? Break it down. You can count on me. What's the plan? Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. What's up? What's the plan? Kick ass. Time. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan.
That is.
What's up? What's the plan? Time to man up. Raiders roll. This is it. Swan, I marked the fault line with a flare. Plant one of those charges near it.
You got it, cowboy.
We gotta duck in the charge until it's armed. Watch all point, boys.
You know, one of them choke points will make a great spot for Flaming Betty. Where do you want her, hot shot?
Is that it?
No time for chat, cowboy?
Don't use my time.
Break it down.
Need help, sir? Just back off.
Break it down.
Don't provoke me.
What's the plan? What's up?
Bark dark all day.
This is under attack.
Whatever it takes. Don't waste my time. That's it.
Extra crispy.
Don't break it down.
Sounds like a plan. Raider,
This better be good.
talk to me. Lights out. Sell them.
Let's show 'em what we got. Anytime you're ready. Chat Cowboy, what's up?
The charges are ready to blow.
Get the hell out of here.
Good job. That's the first charge. When we get all three, the chamber will flood with lava. What's up? Time to man up.
Oh, lordy. This must be where they take their prisoners.
And infest them. There's no helping these guys. We gotta put them out of their misery.
Watch it. Infestor pods. Light 'em up.
What's up? Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Talk to me. Sounds like a plan.
Damn, you freaks are ugly. Let's waste them.
Sell me.
Join.
Talk to me. Time to man up. You can count on me.
Sure are some ugly suckers down here. What's in it for me? Whatever. You're too late.
We need a good spot to hole up, or we're gonna be Zerg chow.
Right, guys. Sell me. Sounds like a plan.
That's it.
Let's show 'em what we got.
What's the plan? Sell me. Charge. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Talk to me. You can count on me. What's up? Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
Back off, man.
What's the plan? Break it down. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Watch it. Banelings, don't let them get close.
Time for chat, Cowboy. What's up?
Talk to me.
Those things are pretty nasty. Next time you should try not to let them splash you.
Thanks for the advice, son. Now shut up.
Incoming transmission.
Sounds.
Come in, Rainer. I'm detecting survivors of another squad close by. Find them and rescue them.
I'm gonna guess that last part was rescue them.
Hell, and I thought we was gonna play poker with them. Ambush. They're behind us.
Sounds like a plan.
Great to see you guys. The cavern ahead is full of worms, so we better be careful.
Ah, worms. Right.
You can count on me. Time to man up. You can count on me. Break it down. Raiders roll. They're only getting started. Move up by two. We gotta blast them back. Go! Go! We gotta keep moving or they'll crush us. Sell me. Sounds like a plan. Count on me. Raiders roll. Talk to me.
That's it.
Break it down. Sell me. What's up? What's the plan? Time to man.
100 tons of Zerg incoming. Anytime you're ready. Let's show them what we got.
What's up? Sounds like a plan. Time to right between the eyes. What's the plan? Kick ass. Sell me. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Raiders roll. You can count on me.
Zerg are so fascinating. I wish we knew more about their physiology.
I know all about them. Put a bullet in them, they die.
Well, that's not exactly...
Shut it, you two. Same deal as before. Set up a perimeter and don't let anything reach the charge while it's arming.
Just fascinating.
Fueled up, ready to fry.
Armed and ready.
Talk to me.
Where does it hurt? Please state the nature of
Back off, man. I'm a scientist.
Lieutenant for me. Let's show them what we got. Hunting don't
Need help, sir? I have a...
Sell me. What's the plan?
That's it.
Break it down. Time to man up.
Don't waste my time.
What's up? Talk to me.
Aye, sir.
Raiders roll. What's up?
Let's show them what we got.
Sell me.
Anytime you're ready. Extra crisp.
What's the plan?
No time for chat, cowboy? What's up? That's just great. Damn straight.
Break it down. Sounds like a plan. Raiders, talk to me.
Hell, earthquake.
That's no quake. It's ultralisks. Talk to me. What's up?
Anytime you're ready.
What's the plan? Time to hang up. Break it down. Sounds like a plan. Sell me.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Just one more charge and we're gonna have ourselves a Nidus barbecue. Stay sharp, boys. What's the plan? Sounds like a plan.
We got company, Jimmy.
No, I'm picking up something, but it's stationary. Eggs or larva, maybe? Man up. Sell me.
Anytime you're ready.
Talk to me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. What's the plan? Kick ass. You can count on me.
You know, the way those eggs all hatched, it's like they were waiting for us.
There's a strong likelihood that another Zerg creature was controlling them.
Sounds like a plan. What's up? What's the plan? Sell me. Break it down.
Whatever's popping those eggs is gonna be in a world of hurt when I get a hold of them.
Leaders roll.
Incoming transmission.
Rainer, another squad is up ahead. The situation sounds dire. Proceed with extreme caution.
Over here! Help us!
Don't
What's the plan? Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Oh, God. Game over, man. Game over.
Sell me.
What's in it for me?
What's the plan?
Thanks, man. I thought we were goners.
You ain't safe yet.
Sell me. Sounds like a plan. Get that charge deployed. I've got a bad feeling about this place.
All set, cowboy. When this thing goes off, we need to be a long way from here.
What the hell is that?
Damn, she's popping eggs.
We gotta take her down. No way we can leave the charge while she's around.
We could use some help here.
Steady, heroes.
What's the plan? Kick ass. Right between the eyes. What's up? Break it down. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Talk to me.
She's going for more eggs. Stop the queen before she gets to him.
What's the plan? Time. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sell me. Talk to me.
Mark all night.
That's it. Break it down. What's up? You can count on me. Sell me. What's the plan? Talk to me. Time. Break it down. Right between the eyes. What's up? Break it down.
I'm a bad man.
Your forces are under attack.
What's the plan? Talk to me. Sell me.
No life signs. She's dead, Jim.
Us too if we don't get the hell out of here.
The Chargers are counting down, hotshot. Damn straight we gotta go. Here, Betty'll keep them busy.
Hell, the lava's rising.
That was the whole idea, Tychus. Now run for the extraction point, you idiot. Time to man up. Let's get out of here. Double time. Go, go, go! What's up? Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Time to man up. What's up? Talk to me. You can count on me.
Damn. Nothing like a good old-fashioned knock-down, drag-out brawl.
Look at all those caves crumble. Ain't sorry to see them go.
Wow, we sure killed a lot of them. I bet they're really scared of us now. Of you.
All right. Let's see how the boys held up while we were gone.